Y'all know keeping them vinyl window frames clean not only spruces up your home's look, but it also helps your windows last longer. Over time, dirt, grime, and even mold can pile up on your window frames. Regular cleaning stops this buildup and keeps your windows looking like new. So here's what you'll need: some mild dish soap, a soft cloth or a sponge, a soft bristle brush, and a bucket of warm water. You can also grab some vinegar and baking soda for tougher stains. First off, fill the bucket with warm water, then add a couple drops of that dish soap. For extra power, toss in a cup of vinegar. Dip your cloth into the solution and wring it out good, and start wiping down them window frames. Start from the top and work your way down. Got a tough stain? Grab your brush and give it a gentle scrub. For really stubborn spots, mix up a little baking soda with water and let it set a little before scrubbing. Once you're done scrubbing, be sure to rinse some frames with clean water and dry them off with a cloth. This will keep water spots and streaks at bay. For white vinyl frames, follow the same steps, but clean them more often to keep them bright. And when it comes to cleaning the outside, a garden hose can help rinse off the dirt before you get to scrubbing. With these simple steps, you can keep your vinyl window frames spotless and long-lasting. A little regular maintenance goes a long way. Got more questions about your windows? Give us a holler at Texas Made Windows & More, where we've got you covered for all your window needs.